In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an email as unread. If you've ever opened a message too soon, or you just want to flag something as a reminder to come back later, marking an email as unread is a quick way to keep your inbox organized. We'll do everything on a computer, and I'll walk you through a few easy methods so you can use whichever feels most natural. First, let's start from the inbox. Look at your message list and find the small checkbox next to the email you want to revisit. Click that checkbox to select the message. You can select more than one if you like. With your email selected, go to the top toolbar and click the Mark as Unread icon. It usually looks like a closed envelope, and in many inboxes it's labeled Mark as Unread. As soon as you click it, the message will return to its unread state, often becoming bold again, so it stands out as something you'll handle later. Another fast option is to use the right-click menu. In your message list, hover over the email you want to change, right-click it, and choose Mark as Unread from the menu that appears. This is a great choice when you're moving through your inbox quickly and want to keep your hands on the mouse. If you've already opened the email, you don't have to go back to the inbox first. At the top of the open message, look for the same closed envelope icon in the toolbar and click it. The message will be marked as unread, and you'll be returned to your inbox so you can keep working. For power users, keyboard shortcuts can speed things up. From your inbox, select a message. Many email apps let you press X to select the current email, or you can click it. Then hold Shift and press U. If the email is open, Shift plus U works there as well. You'll see it flip back to unread in an instant. If shortcuts don't seem to work, make sure your email service has keyboard shortcuts enabled in its settings. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you don't immediately see the Mark as Unread button, look for a closed envelope icon, or an option under a More or three dots menu. It's the same command with a different label. And remember, marking something as unread doesn't move or delete it. It simply changes its status, making it easier to spot when you're scanning your inbox later. That's it. Use the toolbar icon, the right-click menu, the in-message icon, or the Shift plus U shortcut, whichever fits your workflow best.